Yes, yes, let us get dressed. Wake up now, the sun shines. It is a happy morning. Time to wear our clothes now. First we put on soft socks, soft little socks, warm our feet. Now we wear our bright shirt, put both arms in sleeves now. Pull it down neat and nice. Now we wear our comfy pants, one leg in then other. Pull them up nice and high. Button closed and zip up tight. Now we put on our shoes, left shoe first, right shoe next. Tap your feet and smile wide. Yes, yes, we are getting dressed. Clap your hands and turn around. Put your little jacket on. Zip it up nice and slow. Put your little hat on now. You look cozy, warm and neat. Look into the mirror now. Smile so big and shine bright. We are ready, yes we are. Ready for a fun new day. We can jump and play today. We can laugh and sing today. March, march, march around the room. Swish, swish, swish your clothes today. Twirl, twirl, twirl and giggle too. Stomp, stomp, stomp in both shoes. Yes, yes, all dressed today now. Hooray, hooray, we look so great. Off we go. So neat today. Off we go. With big smiles. Yes, yes, let us get dressed.